Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix no SR gain after win in Black Ops 6 ranked play, and let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you have to do is simply, once the match ends, just do not click on skip. So once you see like how many headshots you got, how many double kills you got, stuff like that, when that screen pops up after the battle pass, this is usually after you get your battle pass tier or whatever, that screen pops up. It will also tell you, how much SR you gained, and if you don't skip that screen, you should be good to go and the glitch will not happen. But then again, if you accidentally do skip, all you have to do is just restart your PC or restart the application. So go ahead and just close it, start it back up, and then you'll notice that you have more SR than where you originally were. But again, if you don't want that to happen in the first place, all you have to do is simply just do not hit skip when when the match ends. You can hit skip when you're viewing the battle pass tiers, but after that, just don't hit skip and let it play out, and then you should be good to go. And yeah, it's a very simple fix, and that should be it. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.